Good morning, guys. So I'm getting ready, guys. I'm going to the library. Yesterday I had a facial, guys. Oh my god, it was so good. It was so good. I'm starting to look after my skin now, because I am under major stress. Med school is no joke, guys. That's why I'm getting ready. I'm going to the library. The first thing I will do, I'm going to put eye drops, guys, because when I'm studying, I need eye drops. I need eye drops because I'm in front of the computer all day. I usually carry that with me and I put it like 2 to 3 times a day. Guys, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, guys. I have no time for the rest. So the first thing I do, so I move this. Before I remove everything, I move this. I am going to use miel oil. I do that. So I'm focusing where on my edges, guys, always. That's why I leave my edges out. And now I'm going to massage. That's why you will never see me losing my edges, because I always look after my edges. I always do that, so I know I don't forget. Okay, so the expensive oil, I apply it on my own natural hair, moving the bonnet. So I'm gonna go here. Here you don't put too much oil, just a little bit. Just a little bit, that's it. So at night, guys, I go and I just put oil. Oh my God, it feels so good. So what do I do now? The hair is like this, and I'm going to remove my ring for a second. Flip my hair. From there, I start to open it. And I tuck my hair away like this. I grab the front because she framed my face side. If I'm going out, I can fix it nicely and leave it like that, but I don't like it like that. So I go this way, I grab, and I do a little twist here. Okay, I secure and I leave the end this way. So and I put this type of earrings because if you put bigger, it gets stuck with the hair. I'm just going to comb my edges now and I'm good to go, guys. So this is it, guys. Now I am going to the library. Maybe I will show you quickly at the library, but you see, very simple. It's beautiful. Guys, to be honest with you ladies, I don't like having extension. I didn't wear extension for 7 years. But guys, I need to focus on my studies. So, and this is it. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna get ready. So now I'm going to put my shoes, grab my lunch, my bag, spend time to the library. So you see, guys, the hair is doing its thing. Yeah, so guys, no joke, my husband no joke, my husband always prepare my meal before he goes to work, guys. Always. This is like, I'm going to have omelette, and that's potato, sweet potato. So, and this is, you know, this lunch bag. This is my lunch bag. He made that for me. It was warm, so we leave it so I can cover it. And he already prepared my salad for me. This is my salad, guys. So good. I'm telling you, I have the best husband ever. Okay, this is done. He already has that ready for me. This is my salad dressing. I love yogurt. That's ketchup to eat with. That's ketchup mixed with hot sauce. I have that with my sweet potato, tangerine. I'll put that here. This is already prepared. Dates. My smoothies, my homemade smoothies, guys. It's usually done the night before. We leave it in the fridge. I just have to grab and go in the morning. So morning after my tea, that's what I start with. Okay, so I have everything ready. Grabbing my laptop to study. Let me get my bag ready. So in the morning, the only thing I had to do is just organize my my lunch bag. My husband cooked. I organize my lunch bag, grab my laptop, my backpack, and go to the library all day. I hope I took everything. I have my lunch bag. I have my thermos. Ooh, this is my bag. Guys, it's heavy. Guys, the hair is still popping. Very nice, isn't it? Oh my God. For the price, this hair is given. This hair is doing the job nicely, guys. Like, I cannot complain. So I'm gonna show you my outfit quickly. Very simple, very casual, because I'm going to the library. So and this is if I'm cold, guys. I always have a blanket if I'm cold. If I have to pack something, guys, blanket, lunch, and I'm good to go. So yeah, I really like this hair. This is going to be my hairstyle for a while until I get bored, guys. You know, there's something about being so sexy, elegant, confident when a woman is fully covered. Like when you dress up, you know you're good. There's no cleavage showing, there's no titty showing, there's no ice cheek showing, there's nothing showing. You're covered from head to toe. I always like find that so sexy and elegant, and it's something that I I don't like I don't like wearing pants, guys. The only time I will wear them is in winter. Winter I will wear, but the moment it starts spring's coming, guys, screw this. I'm all about long dress and being feminine, being like, you know, like there's something about dresses, you know. That's what I say to my husband: as soon as I'm done med school, baby, we are moving to States. We are going to live somewhere nice and warm. I can no longer take the cold. We are going to go either Texas. My husband doesn't want anything related to Florida. I would love to live somewhere in Tampa, Florida. My husband doesn't like it. So we have to find a state that is nice and warm. The first thing that come to mind, somewhere in Texas. That's what I told him, until we have to go to visit and then make that decision. And as soon as I'm done med school, guys, give me the weather so I can wear dresses all year long. That's the only reason I'm moving somewhere warm, because I remember growing up, I see my grandmother, I never see her wear pants. I never. Her entire existence, she was always fully dressed, classy and elegant clothes, like dresses. So that's the reason I don't like wearing pants, because I didn't grow up to see my grandmother doing that. For her, a woman has to be either in skirt or dresses, and that's why you see I'm a sucker for dresses or skirts. But let me show you my outfit. The hair is popping. It looks neat. It looks nice. And this is my outfit to go to the library. Like, for me, there's something about dressing up, covered, no cleavage, no titty showing, no eyes showing. Guys, there's something so professional, so casual, demand respect, elegant, confident when I dress like this. This is me cover my entire body, dressing casual, you know, there's nothing showing. Like, I feel so confident in this outfit. I feel so elegant. I feel so comfortable in my skin because I'm not showing anything, you know. And then you can see this is my bag, the back of my hair, the back of my outfit. I feel so confident, guys, so confident. Like, I can be focused to study. I know I'm fully covered. I have my lunch. I am ready to spend the day at the library, guys. So this is it. I am at the library. So we talk, okay?